Oh my God. Oh no. Elmo's World. Oh.
All right then. She got it back.
Oh, Elmo.
Elmo, yay.
Elmo.
Okay, let me
Elmo.
see it. Let me see it. Let Daddy hold it, okay? Let Daddy hold it. Is there something else in there?
Yeah.
Oh, take it out, baby. She doesn't know how to pull everything out. Uh-oh.
Is it happy birthday?
Oh!
Oh, so cute.
She must like those colors. No.
She's all right.
Are they neutral
Hey.
colors?
Yeah?
Alright, see how it is.
Oh,
Oh.
beautiful.
Save it.
Can I stop her with that question?
Oh, thank you, Tatiana, Chris, Walter, Michelle. Thank you.
Yay, thank you.
Be sure you save my cards because you do the.
Thank you.
Well, yeah, but you do the scrapbooking.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Look, baby, she's taking it to you.
Oh, what do you have here?
Oh!
Lord, squeeze my tummy and teach me ABC.
Oh, my goodness.
No, Mama, that's not yours.
Drop the book right away.
Gyro ball.
Oh, those are cool.
It's true.
They don't spill. You can eat a bowl of cereal.
No, Tatiana.
Yeah. Oh, it's sippy cups.
Flip it.
For a big girl.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Tatiana's out. Oh. Yeah, I think I did see them come in with it. Yeah.
This is nice.
This is from Trisha and the kids.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow. Thank you.
Maya, pick that out.
Woo. Oh yeah, go figure, Maya. Dresses. Yay.
Beautiful.
Show me Elmo. Thank you.